Aquarius, divine feminine, divine masculine. Hi, it's Angel, and welcome back to my channel. Let's get into your November 2022 love reading. Let's see what y'all got going on in the love department. Aquarius, divine feminine, divine masculine. And if you are not a subscriber, go ahead over there and take a minute and subscribe to the channel. We want this channel to grow. More cards, more readings all the time. And underneath the deck, you have third-party relationship. So Aquarius, divine feminine, divine masculine. Somebody has been trying to intrude on your relationship with this third party, all right? But you're protected. Door to money. I attract limitless abundance. Intuition. And level up. Okay, Aquarius, divine feminine, divine masculine. So you're attracting money using your intuition and leveling up. Okay. And someone's looking at your relationship from the outside. And if you're single, Aquarius, this is a person looking at you from the outside because they want a relationship with you and they really don't know how to say it. They don't know if you have someone. So, they're trying to play it, cool. And then underneath the deck, you have storm ahead. So possibly this is a bird's eye view, Aquarius, divine feminine, divine masculine, that there might possibly be a third party relationship in the future. Someone will possibly try to intrude into your relationship in the future, but you have your intuition already here because you're leveled up, Promise. And you have baby. Okay, so divine feminine, divine masculine, Aquarius. So a storm is coming. This is another bird's eye view. You possibly might, get pregnant or get someone pregnant for the Aquarius, divine masculines. Wow. Or this person got you pregnant, Aquarius, and they promised that they would be there, but it's going to be a storm coming up ahead because through the pregnancy, someone is going to intrude on your relationship. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Damn, Aquarius, divine feminine, divine masculine. Okay. Underneath the deck, you have, I have loved you from the first day that I met you / seen you. And that's the truth. So this person always loved you, Aquarius, divine feminine, divine masculine. You have, I love the way you smell. You deserve better than what I can give you. So possibly, like I said, this person got you pregnant and promised to stay with you. And you deserve better than what they can give you. And they just wanted a sexual connection, possibly. For some of you with this, I love the way you smell. And some of you, they really do love you. From the first day they met / seen you. Okay? But it's a storm coming ahead. What you gonna do, Aquarian? I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.